In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a per-seat calendar structure in GoHighLevel. To start, let's focus on creating individual users within the GoHighLevel platform. You'll want to head over to the Settings section and then navigate to the My Staff or Team Management area. Here, the goal is to create one user for each seat so that every distinct role or position within your organization has a dedicated user profile. For instance, you might create profiles for someone like John in sales, Sarah in support, and even a Demo Room 1 for shared spaces or equipment. Each of these separate user seats should be equipped with vital details like an email address, specific availability, and, importantly, a connected calendar. Next, ensure that each individual calendar is properly connected. This involves linking each user, whether it's a person or a room, to relevant calendar services such as Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook. This step is crucial because it allows you to have real-time access to accurate availability information and helps prevent scheduling conflicts. By connecting external calendars, you effectively synchronize any external events, ensuring a seamless flow of appointments. Once your calendars are connected, it's time to configure availability for each seat. To do this, head back to the settings and click on Calendars followed by Availability. This is where you can establish unique schedules that align with the specific needs of different roles or resources. For example, Sales Rep A might work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., whereas Sales Rep B might cover the shift from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. If you have something like a demo room, you may want that available 24/7 to maximize utility. With the availability configured, move on to creating various calendar types, a step that depends largely on your business model. You have several options here. Personal calendars suit scenarios where each booking equates to one seat, ideal for consultants, coaches, and sales reps. Round-robin calendars are better when you wish to distribute leads across different seats, which is highly effective for sales or support teams, as GoHighLevel will automatically rotate appointments among them. Lastly, service calendars work well when specific resources, rooms, or equipment are involved, making them perfect for clinics, studios, or any rental business setup. Now we need to assign these seats to the appropriate calendars. This is done within the calendar settings under Assigned Users or Team Members. Here you can select the correct users or seats that match the purpose of each calendar. For a demo call calendar, this might mean assigning it to your sales team, while a studio booking calendar could be aligned with your studio rooms. Finally, let's discuss adding capacity rules to manage higher volume bookings effectively. You can configure maximum appointments per seat, set daily booking limits, establish buffer times between appointments, and define minimum notice periods to ensure everything runs smoothly. For example, you might limit your sales reps to 5 calls per day with a 15-minute buffer between appointments to provide ample preparation time. By following these detailed steps, you'll be able to create a highly effective per-seat calendar structure that caters to the specific needs of your business in GoHighLevel.